Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix Rust error, which is the please close the interruption before starting the game error. So we have three methods. So for method number one is to uninstall Interception driver. So you have to press Windows and R and then type in CMD. So you can just go ahead and pause this video and take a screenshot and then copy it and then paste it on the CMD. Now after doing that, just restart your PC and then try opening Rust again. Now for method number two is to remove from device manager. So to do that, press Windows plus X, then choose device manager. After that, go to the keyboards or mice and other pointing devices. Then right-click any suspicious interception driver, then uninstall device. Then after that, restart your PC again. And for our method number three, we have, so here is the use safe mode cleanup. So you can restart your PC, then press F and 8, then Shift plus restart. After that, enter safe mode and then open CMD as admin and then run this code right here. You can also screenshot this one and just replace the oemxs.inf with the interception driver name. So just a quick tip, always restart your PC after uninstalling. Don't reinstall macro and keyboard mapping tools if you want Rust to run smoothly. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!